The chassis is exactly torquing to spec.
The front circuit is
green. Looks like we've got a
Analyzing fuel trim. Initiating acceleration
Mode. Confirmed.
All right, this is where we begin. Ready the CNC mill. The chassis is exactly 4 millimeters wider than projected here.
Yeah.
Note that we'll need to adjust the mounting points slightly.
inventory complete. Prepare steel beams for cutting.
Understood.
The front circuit is secure. Adjusting the rear line now. Perfect. 78% complete.
Torque calibrated. Suspension operational. Ready for powertrain. Torquing to spec. Now for the anti-roll mounts.
Torquing bell housing bolts to spec. Optimal alignment confirmed. Torque conformed. Complete.
All right, alignment confirmed. Ready for the first bracket.
Main cabin harness connected. All systems operational.
Interior systems, green. Diagnostics, complete. Vehicle build, 85%.
Engaging vacuum refill. Pressure rising steadily. Systems fully pressurized. Finalizing sequence.
Initiating high-speed dynamometer test. Deploying air brake now. Test complete. Analyzing results. Initiating acceleration protocol. Gear engagement successful. Aero brake deployment activated. Test parameters within tolerance. Complete.
Engaging ignition. Hut. Online. Systems nominal. Affirmative. Engine is alive.
Analyzing fuel trim. Initiating micro adjustment.
Parameters optimized. System online.
One 100%. Perfect.
Engaging drive mode. Confirmed.
Vehicle is operational and